Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So today's recipe, we are preparing viral green goddess salad. Yes, the viral green goddess salad. And this salad has a lot of properties, it has a lot of benefits. It's going to be amazing. So guys, stay with me. If you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you. Thank you. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. Remember to subscribe, like our video, comment and share it. That's how you support my channel. Thank you. So today's recipe, the ingredients are: this is cabbage, this half cabbage, this is avocado, you know it's good for the heart, this is mayo. I'm using 2 cucumbers for this. Cucumber has a lot of benefits. It helps with digestion, weight loss, relieves constipation, keeps us hydrated, good for our skin. Spinach has a lot of vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin C, it has folate and iron. So this is our spinach. Yes, so here again we have our green onions, and we know that we said it's the viral green goddess salad. Yes, so everything is green aside the mayo, which will eventually turn green at the end. So stick with me, don't go anywhere till you see what it's going to turn out to be. So guys, let's get started. So I've washed my cucumbers. I'm gonna just chop it right away. So that one is gone. The next is our cabbage. We are going to cut it. So the next one is our green onions. So guys, we have here our cucumber, which is the base, followed by our cabbage and then green onions. Isn't that amazing, guys? A whole bowl of goodness. So we'll set it aside. So guys, we are done cutting the cabbage, the cucumber and the green onions, and we'll set it aside. So the next thing we are going to do is to get sauce. I call it the sauce or the cream, which is blending the mayo, avocado and spinach together. So that's what we're going to do right now, because we are going to toss it into the blender. So I like to put my spinach first, so to form the base. So the next one is our avocado. Guys, you know that the importance of avocado, there are too numerous to mention. The benefits are endless. It's good for the heart, it fights cancer, helps in digestion, it has antioxidant properties that fight free radicals in our body. I'm gonna get all of it, so I'm not gonna waste any of this goodness. The second one, trust me guys, everything is gonna turn out the very amazing. You're gonna love it. Body's gonna love you. So got it, everything out. Next is our mayo. I'm gonna put it in. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't this amazing? As my little girl, she said, "This is awesome. This is awesome." That's what she's gonna say. So we set it aside for blending. Let's look at that, guys. This is spinach, avocado, and mayo. This is gonna be our sauce. Close it up. We are going to blend this goodness all together. That's gonna form our sauce, our cream. See? Okay. Shake it up, shake it. Give it a quick shake. Put it back and blend it. Oh my god, isn't this amazing? You see, the mayo has disappeared, the white color has disappeared. See? Oh my god, this is amazing. Let's see what I saw. Look at that, guys. Isn't this amazing? See the paste? It's a smooth paste. We're gonna serve as our cream. Guys, eating healthy is good. So we're gonna add everything together. So let's see how everything comes out. This is it, guys. We're gonna toss everything around. Everything. You can lick your screen. You can lick your screen. It's amazing. Guys, this is the viral green goddess salad. You need to try it. By yours truly, Grow with Anita.